Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into OneDrive with the Microsoft account that holds Personal Vault. Enter credentials, then use your phone for the two-step sign-in. This proves it's you. Once signed in, make sure Personal Vault appears in the sidebar. If not, sync your account or update the app. You need either an app update or a web refresh to continue. Make sure to enable biometric or PIN options when prompted, because those speed feature unlocks and improves security. You now tap Personal Vault and choose Unlock. OneDrive shows verification choices: phone prompt, text, or authenticator code. Pick the most convenient method, then approve the sign-in on your phone or type the one-time code. This extra step protects sensitive files, which is why Microsoft requires it. Once verified, OneDrive decrypts the vault and displays contents. Make sure to opt into biometric or PIN unlock here if you want a faster, but still secure future access experience. After working inside Personal Vault, close it manually or wait for auto lock to engage. This protects files when you step away. If you can't unlock, first resync OneDrive and verify your device time and date. Incorrect clocks often break codes. Next, retry the chosen verification method or switch methods. If problems persist, sign out and back in, and update or reinstall the OneDrive app. That usually fixes corrupted caches and restores the unlock flow, so you can access your vault again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.